Mr. Ramsay, if you could please give me a rating. That is absolutely out of this world. I would say I'm stunned, but I'm not stunned. This is a Gordon Ramsay recipe. It had to be great, and it is. It's super fantastic. I watched, I learned, I mastered it. You can master it. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom. That is simply out of this world. If you're not trying this dish, you are missing out. You have to try this dish. It is fantastic. You can cook like a master chef in your own home. You don't need to go out to the restaurant all the time to get that. Mr. Ramsay, if you could please, a rating. Please and thank you, sir. It's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. I know if Gordon Ramsay is watching this video, he's gonna be able to figure out what I didn't put in there. Because there was one ingredient that was missing. I couldn't find it, I couldn't get it. I searched. Maybe I didn't try hard enough, but I looked for it, and I know he's gonna be able to know what's not in this recipe because it was his recipe. So if there's an ingredient missing, he's gonna know. I just couldn't find it. I tried. Anyway, until next time. Absolutely out of this world. Out of this world recipe. Out of this world.